This video we are going to discuss about the most neglected power, the power of asking. Why don't we ask and receive? It is very powerful thing, and I'm going to explain you how can we exercise this power and create opportunities for our own self. Before we go ahead, let me exercise this power of asking, and kindly subscribe to my channel and then watch the video. So when we exercise the power of asking, when we ask people for anything which we do not have, or when we do not understand anything and we ask people, they help us. But I have observed a pattern in our society and the people around us. They do not ask. They think that asking will make them feel small or not efficient. But no, not everybody has all the knowledge. We all have some good qualities, some our strengths and some power, and some other individual has some other energies and some other efficient qualities. So in the same manner, we can work together, we can collaborate together, and we can help and support each other. But where is that ground? When we ask people, when we reach out to people and tell them, see, I want to help in this area of my life, or help me in this manner, it's not going to make us feel small, but definitely it's going to create so many different opportunities for our own self. So let's exercise this power. I'm going to share how can we exercise this power and gain the more and more benefits. For example, I'm not good at public speaking, or I'm not good at dancing and any stuff like that. But if I keep on hiding all those skills, and if I'm never gonna ask anybody that I'm not good at this act, can you please help with this? What's going to happen? I'm gonna be in the same way all my life, hiding behind. So ask. This is the era of asking and receiving. When we do not ask, we limit our own self. There are many wonderful people out there who are ready to help you. So just ask and receive and grow. We break all the barriers. This is the time when if we expect people to come to us and help us in any way, the probability is very less that it's going to happen. But definitely if you are going to ask, you are going to create those opportunities for your own self. Not exercise this power of asking, we lose so many opportunities. We create barriers around us. We don't want to live like that. Let's break all the barriers and help each other and reach out and ask people. If you need anything, ask. Just ask and you're going to receive. The time has gone when there was an era of we are just sitting somewhere and we are expecting people to come to us. No, ask. If you have anything you want to learn, ask, reach out and help also. So in the same way, I felt like this is the power which we have. I have received. I know the power of it. Few years back, I was not like that. I used to hide behind everything. I used to not express my heart. And being in that cell that I'm sitting, somebody is going to ask me or help me or something like that. But that's never going to happen. And I lost many opportunities. But later I realized in life that no, power of asking, so humility. We are more humble. We have that acceptance to learn from the other person, to show that vulnerable side that, see, I'm not good at this thing. Are you willing to help me? And it makes wonders. We never know how can we build such connections in an unexpected manner. And that's why we all have some perfections and some imperfect qualities. To help, to fit into each other and create a wave of positivity, to create such a beautiful world where everybody is feeling cared, loved and efficient and powerful in every single way. So that's our duty. So just inculcate one practice. It can be any kind of need. Do not hesitate. Just ask and you'll see the miraculous things happening your way. The people who ask, they receive. The people who do not ask, they create barriers. The universe is there. Just throw your wish to the universe. Just express your heart out. There's nobody who is judging you. We are making up so much inside our head that people are judging me and stuff like that, but that's not gonna happen. Everybody is concerned and is busy with their own thoughts and their own life. So ask, help, and never neglect the power of asking. And let me exercise this power once again. Just subscribe to this channel so that you can receive all the videos which I'm going to upload next, and go check out all the videos which I have already uploaded, and kindly give your valuable insights, learnings and feedbacks. I would be very grateful to you. Thank you so much for being a wonderful listeners. I'm really grateful. Lots of love and blessings.